So this is absolutely random, but I've got 22 bricks I need to take to the new house, so I'm just gonna chuck them in the boot and see how much it lowers the car. So at the moment there's 2 or maybe 1 sort of finger, 1 level finger. Actually, I'll measure it. What have we got to the guard? About 64 centimeters. So we'll see how much it lowers it. All right, they're all in now. Let's do another measurement. Looks a bit low. Yep, can't get 2 fingers in, even 1 finger just on the, can't get it straight. So it's actually lowered a bit. We'll measure it. 60, less than 63 now. So 10, probably load at 12 mil. There you go, 22 bricks. Will lower your car on super lows, it'll lower another 12 mil. So if you had another 20 in there, it'd be on bum stop. So anyway, that's just a random little thing. Yeah, there's not much left in it now. Just a little bit. We'll go check out the progress of the my new garage and new house. So have a look now. And done. Now we'll go check out the garage. So here it is. This is where all the dreams are going to happen. It's 7.5 wide by 6. So I think it's just a 2 meter extension. So just this, basically just this part from there to there, that much extension. But it's made it a lot bigger, and you definitely able to fit 3 cars in here, or easily 2 with a big workbench and plenty of space to swing your cat around. And then in the rear has a roll door as well. So what we're going to do is put a concrete pad up there to, play basketball on, wash my car, etc. Then in the back corner, want a shed. Hopefully a decent sized shed. I wouldn't mind at least to fit a car and a workbench and stuff in, and then have a hoist at some stage in there if it's big enough. It's only 5 meters from fence to pillar here, and I think 6 I think from the pillar to the back fence. So it'll squeeze in. I don't know how much gap we have to leave there. Otherwise we could put something in this corner. Just meant you'd have to drive your car around, and there's more space there. Other than that, there is a lot of space on this side of the house to drive the car down, but yeah, there's no driveway crossover on that side, so I don't know. Probably rather just have it in this corner. See how big a shed we can put in there, and yeah, see how it goes. Yeah, as you can see, plenty of room for cars. You can even fit one right here. Undercover space right at the back porch. So I don't know, comment below, what would you guys do if you had this backyard? Would you put a single car shed out there, or would you try and fit a 2 car plus big shed out there on that side? Just means you're gonna have to drive all around depending on what we do out here. Yeah, that could be annoying, but yeah, still trying to decide what to do. But yeah, comment below, how many car garage do I really need? How many cars am I going to have? I'm not sure. Yeah, this room is massive. Like, I do dream of like backing the car in here and just having it sitting in there one day and just getting it real clean. Imagine that. I wonder if these doors open far enough. Oh yeah. Get the car around here. Back it in over here. Just have it sitting in here. If you had the money, that's what you'd have. You have some sort of show car, some, vintage Ferrari or Lamborghini. Just like that Adrian Portelli Got that freaking, what is it? McLaren F1, P1, whatever it is, Senna. Lifted, craned up to his penthouse. Oh, to have that kind of money. But yeah, this will be where I spend a lot of my time. Keen to get my car in here in the next month or so, and maybe an extra car at some stage, who knows. And that shed out the back, that'll be awesome. Anyway, pretty random little video, just an update on the garage and seeing how it'll unfolding. So back in the rental garage now, just got to clean this thing up. I was just thinking, I don't know if you've watched my other videos, but I've got a PW50, which I've had for a while, but I haven't got it running for a while. So now I'll have some more room in the new garage. I can sort of set that up, and you put it on the table, pull it apart. I think the carby needs to be cleaned out, a few things, and yeah, sort of restore that, get that going again. And the old go-kart, which is, yeah, I've got some videos too on this, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got an old, like an old 3 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine on it. Very old engine, look at it. But yeah, I wouldn't mind getting that going. Oh, I just need to fix the pull start. Pull start's just, yeah, the rope broke on it, so just got to, that's all that's really wrong with that, I think. Get that going again, and get some PVC. I don't know if you've seen, but guys put PVC like pipe on the tires. So deflate the tires, put some PVC, like hammer some PVC piping on there, then pump the tires right up, and then you can just go drifting. Just a slow drifting around the streets. So it's pretty cool. Where I live, there's some sort of industrial estates and some new parts of estates that aren't even really open yet, or there's no house or cars around. So I'm sure I could, on a quiet Sunday afternoon, go out there and do a bit of drifting. So yeah, anyway, keen to do that with a bit more space in the new garage. Get rid of a bit of stuff. If anyone wants a leaf blower, let me know. Some roof racks off an old Subaru Forester, I think. And yeah, so anyway, got my RC car here, and my the old shark fins under there, so got to tidy them up too. Just a few chips and scratches and a little bit of gutter rash that I just want to clean up. And one of the caps is the wrong colour, so got to get some of the right coloured paint and fix that up. So anyway, thanks for watching another video, guys. Catch you in the next one.